good morning, everyone. I hope you have downloaded the syllabus of first year. आहेत का syllabus तुमच्याकडे?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in that you can see what is the syllabus for the LaTeX. As the time is not allowing to complete whole syllabus, we'll try to complete the syllabus of LaTeX. So you can see in the practical 1 and 2, many parts of practical one I have already covered in your practical sessions. Introduction to latex and installation. What is the layout of a design of the latex? I think the screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
So first we'll discuss with the syllabus and then we'll go for the next one. Introduction to the latex, installation of latex. We have seen layout, design, latex input file, what are the input file required for the latex and how it works. We have studied these things. And next we have seen what are the document classes and I shown you that AMS math is used for the if you are going to use anything related to maths. Okay, AMS symbols means if you are going to introduce the symbols, then that you package should be there in your latex file. Okay, so if there is missing of packages, it shows one message that this package is missing, so you can download it by connecting to internet. Okay, you can connect your mobile data to your laptop or PC and then you can download. So you can have a color, graphic, algorithm, page styles are also available that I have shown you that how to change the page style. You can change the page style which is available on the top side in the settings. You can change even that many font styles are available, Times New Roman, Calibri, whatever available in the Word file. And in the Word file, it is difficult to do the changes since you can change it by control all the way you can change. But here simply you have to change at the document class. जिथे तुमच्या document class वर तुम्ही specify करता ना तिथे change करावा. So next we have seen what is a fraction, how to write down the fraction. I shown you the integration sums, that is summation, product, and header, footer. These we haven't seen. Later on we'll see how to write an equation, writing a matrix we have seen. Now we'll see the table and array, and abstract chapters, how to introduce a section. Okay, these are the things in the LaTeX 1. And in the second one, these are what the things, that is math symbols, delimitaries, and producing mathematical graph. Graph I also don't know. It will be taught by Tenge ma'am itself since she have the her research paper is in graphics, table of contents, generating a new command. Okay, how to generate a new command, figure handling, numbering, how to number a page. So these are the things are available in your second practical. Okay, so let us go one by one. So let me share you the screen what we have seen in the last lectures, and then we'll go for the next one. Everyone should have the syllabus, okay? So it will be helpful for you people itself. That means how much part is covered and what will how many syllabus is covered, and maybe the questions will be based on which part that you can see. I hope the screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, these are the things that we have seen in the last lecture, right now. Whatever we have seen, I've shown you here that in the practical session, in the practical session, I've shown you how to write down the uh, suppose if you want to write down the font size is larger. So for that we have the syntax as large, small, tiny, and capital R will give you again more bigger font size. So here this practical one for this we have written capital large. But before that we have to write down the slash. Okay, this is what the fraction we have seen, and the notation for the partial derivative. Here you can see the slash frac is a notation for the partial derivative. Then we have written Lagrange's equation of motion, summation symbol, integration and integration within the limits. So here we have seen integration within the limits and all. Next, we have seen the matrices, then some of the symbols of mathematics, and then I have shown you the different font style. This is LaTeX. This is what another font style. This is Times New Roman. Okay. So now let us go for the next one. Okay, so now let me take you to another one. Let us have the new page. How to introduce a new page in that is you just type a new page, so it will take you to the new page. Okay, so in that new page, let us type something. You can have this session. Actually, third one we have. So if I run this, so it will be in the next. Okay, so if you have a next page in this, is that
Yes, ma'am.
okay, so just
Voice
to
is
have
not clear, ma'am.
voice is not clear. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what we are discussing, so if we want to introduce a new page, what we have to do, simply I have to type a slash new page, and after that whatever you are going to type, it will be available in the next page. Okay. So here you can see the practical session 2. Okay, here this you can see document class 15. So I can change this to 12, so the all will be changed. Okay. जिथे कुठे font size 15 असेल तिथे 12 होणार आहे. Right? It is very easy to change the font size here. So already we have used how many packages, color, MS matte, sorry, color, if you are going to use any math symbol, any math operation, then you have to use a package AMS math. Okay. Let us go for generating a table. How to generate a table? आता आवाज येत आहे ना?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Now, what is our aim to do? We have to generate a table. Okay, you can see in this first one is a file, next is edit. In that, you can do undo, copy, paste, cut, paste, selection, line operation. So, you can have this line operation, delete a line, duplicate a line, move line up. Okay, so here next is ID fix. Here we have a convert to latex, paste as a latex, erase word document. So next is a tools. Here we have a compile, build and view. Okay, latex. In the latex we have begin document, end document, table content, vertical space, font size, font style. You can have here font style. How many font style are there? Emphasis, italics, Latin, bold, face, typewriter, small caps. So these are what underline. All these are what font style. Font size is also available. You can see here tiny, script size, font size, then small, normalized, large, capital large, and every letter of large is capital, huge, capital, huge. Okay. So here in the latex, you can see all these files, and next you can have a boxes, AMS packages, Now let us go for the next one. That is, you can see the wizards on the top. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in the wizards you can have quick start, quick beamer presentation, quick later. Quick later means if you click on this, it will create a later. Quick tabular means you can create a table from this. Okay, let me insert the quick tabular so that we can see how to insert the table. Directly you can have here how many number of columns you need. Let us go with the number of columns, say 5. In the number of rows, let me select number of rows also 5. If I select this one, so if I click on OK button, directly it will give you the input like this. Okay. Yes, everyone able to see the input?
Yes, ma'am.
सिंटॅक्स दिसतंय का
Yes,
इथे
ma'am.
बिगिन टॅब्युलर ओके स्लॅश इन आणि कर्ली ब्रॅकेट मध्ये टॅब्युलर आहे आणि इथे जे सी 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 दिसतं ना दिस आर ना फॉर नंबर ऑफ columns we have created. Okay, vertical line C, vertical line C, vertical line C, it is 5 times since we have created a table 5 cross 5, that is 5 rows and 5 columns. Now let me have the things before and I have to type something. Let me type it as say 1 2 3 say 4 5. Okay, let us type this. I'm simply typing some numbers so that we can have a representation of the table. Okay, now if I run this, so let us see what will happen. Okay, are you able to see now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in this way you can create a table directly. Okay. Now, if you want to increase the number of columns, suppose initially you think that you need 5 rows, 5 columns, but if you need extra, you can have one more C here and one vertical line here. Okay, if you insert one vertical line here, what the changes you have to do is as you include you have one more column, so you have to do the changes. इथे काय करावं लागेल परत एकदा एक अँड टाईप करावं लागेल आणि एक काहीतरी सिम्बॉल द्यावा लागेल. ओके, इज इट फाईन?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So in this way the table can be created. Okay, no need to remember this syntax now. Na? So here it simply you can go to wizards and here you can have quick tabular, then you can prepare this. Okay, and here you can see again one more thing, quick letter. What is quick letter? Okay, what we have typeface size is 10 point and paper size is A4. Encoding is Latin. Let us change it to some different one. A4. Let us change it to 12. Okay. If I click OK, it will take it to new file in which we have you can see here as far as a practical session UMM is one file, another file is untitled which we haven't we have created just now. दिसतंय का सगळ्यांना इथे वर दोन फाईल दिसतात का?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, practical session UMM and untitled. That untitled file is just now later. As I told you that whenever you are going to type in the file, चेंजेस करना पड़ेगा। अगर आपको कोई लेटर लिख रहे हो, अगर आप कोई पेपर सेटिंग कर रहे हो, अगर आप कोई थेसिस बना रहे हो, अगर आप कोई पेपर प्रेजेंटेशन या पीपीटी कर रहे हो, सो एवरी टाइम यू हैव टू चेंज। बट यहाँ पे क्या करना है, आपको सिर्फ विजार्ड्स में जाना है और क्विक लेटर, क्विक बीमर, बीमर मतलब क्या होगा, वो एक पीपीटी होगा, राइट। सो लेट अस सी व्हाट इट विल क्रिएट। Okay, now the another PPT will be there. दूसरा PDF create होगा यहाँ पे, right? So whatever things are there, you can see. Okay, so you can see here it is created in the form of a letter. Okay, your name and address, date, directly date will be created. जो भी date होगा उसी date पे आएगा वो. As it today is 19 May. And name and address of recipient, say hello, write your letter here, say goodbye, and your signature. Okay, so you can see what we have started with: use package AMS snap, AMS font, AMS symbol, your name and address. Okay, slash address, it will give you name and address, slash signature, then name and address of a reception, saying hello, that means opening document, and then write a letter here. जो भी आपको यहाँ पे टाइप करना है आप टाइप कर सकते हो. Suppose you are writing a letter to our director of School of Computational Science, or you are writing a letter to our HOD ma'am, so you can include anything here, just like I was absent. Uh, Later, due to some problem. So, okay, and then you can see here this percentage C list to attach. Okay, suppose I have removed this, so you can include the list of document to attach here. आपने देखा होगा ना, जब भी आप कोई लेटर लिखते हो, so at that time you can have the list of documents. Suppose you are writing a letter, so here you can have the number of things like mark sheet of 10th, mark sheet of 12th standard, and BSc and all. So these documents you can include here for reference. Suppose you are applying for any post and all. So these are the things you can do here. इथे मला चेंज करावं लागेल, मग ते टाइप रायटर मध्ये हे चेंज करावं लागेल, मग जस्टिफाय करावं लागेल, देन यू कैन create it. But here directly you can do and just type whatever you want to type here in this section. यहाँ पे जो भी हमने टाइप किया वहाँ पे आप टाइप करके डायरेक्टली यू कैन क्रिएट. ओके, यहाँ पे जो है ना नेम एंड एड्रेस ऑफ रेसिडेंट, सो हियर यू कैन इंक्लूड द नेम एंड एड्रेस ऑफ रेसिडेंट. लेट अस इंक्लूड समथिंग हियर. Let us have HOD, Department of Mathematics. We can have the another thing as PHS, that is Punyashlok Ideally. So will show you the name and address of as it is appearing in the same line, and to include lines facing. So if I click, if I have double slash, so it goes to the next line. This is सगळ्यांना HOD
Yes,
Yes,
Department
ma'am.
of
ma'am.
PHS. Okay, so you can have your name here, address and name. So यहाँ पे आप आपका खुद का नाम डाल सकते हो. Let me put So in the next one, I will show you the School of Computational Science. School of Computational Science. Okay, so you can have your name and address here. Okay, Michali UM, School of Computational Science, date already created. You can have your own signature here. जो भी आप प्रिंट निकालोगे उसके बाद भी साइन कर सकते हो या फिर आप साइन करके उसका पेज क्रिएट ओके अंडरस्टूड हाउ टू क्रिएट
Yes, ma'am.
okay now let us go back to our earlier one here as n tabular is there after that we have to write some more points so that is insert graphics so graphics means what I have some I want to include a file here first we have to give the file path जहाँ पे हमारा फाइल है उसको हमें चेक करना पड़ेगा ओके let me check first where is my image that I have to introduce here उसका जो एड्रेस है हमको देना पड़ेगा जहाँ पे वो आपका इमेज है वो so that image address you can give or directly you can copy that file and then you can paste it to some of the folder where all the files of LaTeX has been generated. Just like in the last lecture, I have shown you that many files are generated. So जहाँ पे वो फाइल्स जनरेट होते हैं आपके LaTeX के उसी फोल्डर में आप आपके ये फाइल्स कर सकते हो या कोई एनिमेशन है you can insert that. First, let me check the path of file and then we'll start. Now, you can see lots of file here. The classical mechanics like I have this image see this. Okay, you can specify the width of this size and height also. You can specify instead of 0.7, suppose I have it is 0.8. Suppose height we have to specify as 0.37. You can give a caption here below graphic. So you can have here as the first one. First, actually it was a photo of my international conference. It was held in our school. Okay. So let us see whether it will run or not. Actually, it shows a red mark here, include graphics, since we haven't have the symbol, sorry, हमने यहाँ पे include नहीं किया ना वो package slash use package graphics. Use package graphics. Actually, the spelling in this is graphics. That is fine. Let us check whether it will run or not. If some error is there, we'll see what is the error and then we'll check. No doubt it shows exited easily. So, right here you can see the image is now generated here. Display का image.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, actually it was a conference, recent trends in image processing and pattern recognition. It was held in 22nd December. So this image here you can view the name also. Here actually figure 1 यहाँ पे आया है. So आप अगर नाम भी देना चाहते हो तो यहाँ पे दे सकते हो. एक्चुअली हमारे फिगर का ही नाम वो होना चाहिए. लेटर ऑन आई विल शो यू हाउ टू डू दैट. जहाँ पे आपका फिगर है उस आप जो भी इमेज आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करना है उस इमेज का आप नाम दे दो. सपोज इफ इट इज नेशनल मैथमेटिक्स डे का कोई फाइल है तो कोई इमेज है तो आप उसको कुछ नाम दे दो पर्टिकुलर. सो यहाँ पे वो नाम आ जाएगा. सो यू कैन सी हियर ING अंडरस्कोर 0211. वो आप हमारी जो इमेज हमने इंसर्ट किया है उसका नंबर है. Right, so that's why it is showing like that. But if you do the some changes, it will be available. Okay, understood how to insert the image? It is very easy. Simply go to the wizards. You can have insert graphics. So before that, you should be sure that whatever the package needed for graphics, it should be available here. So ये use package graphics. अगर मैंने ये use package नहीं किया होता तो ये error generate होता था ना, क्योंकि आपने देखा था जब हमने पैकेज इंट्रोड्यूस नहीं किया था तो इसको वो रेड मार्क दिखा रहा था. आठवते का?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it itself show that there is a error before running itself. Here the symbol here the one message is also given. Use package graphics is required. जिससे का मैसेज है slash TODO/use package graphics required. So whatever the things you are going to do in the LaTeX, it shows directly that what you need. दिसतंय का हे message end tabularच्या खाली.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so no need to do some extra efforts to so you can remove this and then you can run. You can have this image. So this you can generate many number of images. To introduce images and tables you can do. Okay, now we wanted to see that how to have a sections. Okay, so to have a sections. So after this end figure, whatever you want to write, you can write. Okay. So for the section, simply you have to write it as section. You can have the title for the section also. So section title. So let me give this as session 3. Okay. So if I run this, so it will come in the next section. Okay. So you can have as a numbering as 1 session /3. Now if you want to have a subsection, you can have this as subsection. You can have this subsection. So you can have some another title as say as I am conducting this. So I will write it as UML. So it come under the next one. That is 1.1. जैसे आपके बुक्स में होता है, आपने बुक्स कभी देखा होगा ना, बुक्स में ऐसे फर्स्ट आपका जो भी यूनिट होगा उसमें 1 होगा, उसके पॉइंट्स जो होंगे उसको 1.1 1.2 दीज आर द नंबरिंग्स गिवन, राइट? आठवते का?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in this way you can give the sections. Okay, this is what section 1 in which it is 1. उसके नीचे जो भी आप लिखना चाहते हो उस सेक्शन के अंदर तो आप उसको सब सेक्शन दे सकते हो. In that subsection you can have it is 1.1. If I give you another one, it will give you directly as a 1.2. मैंने खुद नंबरिंग नहीं दिया है. You can see directly itself वो खुद ही जनरेट करता है सभी नंबरिंग. So let us give it say MSC1. It comes under the second one, that is 1.2. So no need to give the numbering. Even in the word file the numbering is having so many problems. अगर आपने कोई फाइल ऐसे कॉपी पेस्ट किया है तो वो नंबरिंग डायरेक्टली नहीं देगा. It will be able to understand you people when you are using word file. अगर आपने कभी word file यूज किया है तभी आपको समझ में आएगा कि word file और latex में क्या डिफरेंस है. आप कभी नंबरिंग वर्ड फाइल में दोगे तो कोई एक चीज भी अगर आप कॉपी पेस्ट करोगे तो वो नंबरिंग बहुत ज्यादा टाइम कंज्यूमिंग होता है उसको सेम फॉर्मेट में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए. यहाँ पे आपको अगर कोई चीज कॉपी पेस्ट भी कर रहे हो तो सिंपली यू हैव टू इंट्रोड्यूस एज सबसेक्शन, और इफ इट इज सेक्शन यू हैव टू इंट्रोड्यूस एज अ सेक्शन. ओके, सो होल डॉक्यूमेंट विल कम्प्लीटली लुक लाइक अ बुक. अगर आप बुक लिख रहे हो तो वहां पे 1 होगा, 1.1 1.2 simply you have to give it as a subsection, section and subtitle. These are the things to give so that your documents look good. You can have here say the bibliography is there, so references you can add. You can see here article in a journal. So अगर आप कोई आर्टिकल लिख रहे हो किसी जर्नल में तो कोई फॉर्मेट बुक इन बुक, दैट मीन्स अगर आप कोई बुक लिखना चाहते हो तो लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस हियर एज अ बुक. ओके, सो इट विल गिव यू द फॉर्मेट ऑफ अ बुक. ओके, और जो भी रेफरेंस होगा वो दिखाएगा. You can add the references. For the references what you have to do, slash bibliography or to add, or you can add. एक्चुअली मेरा लैपटॉप का टाइमिंग खत्म हो रहा है. लेट मी एंड द लेक्चर. अगर लाइट भी नहीं है सो लेट मी एंड द लेक्चर. लैपटॉप को चार्जिंग नहीं है. थैंक यू फॉर अटेंडिंग. विल टेक द नेक्स्ट सेशन इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. ओके, I will share this file.